Alright, here's how you're going to look up a specific word in Mac Mail, whether it's just in the subject line, the from and to addresses, or the whole dang message. Launch the Mail app on Mac, select the Mail inbox from the left side panel. Now search the word. For example, I am finding the all sale emails in this year, so as I type sale in the search box, I can see subject contains sale, so I select the filter. If you wish to find the sale word anywhere in the whole message, then select the message as an option in the filter by clicking on it. If you wish to do the multiple keyword search in the mailbox, then type another word and select the appropriate result that's more accurate than the single word. As you can see, I receive updated results while selecting options in the search field. To search mail within the from or to address, select the Sender Contains filter and change the filter to From, To, or Message. Ensure that the specific mailbox is selected if you have added multiple accounts in the Mail app. I hope you found these tips helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for new free tech guide video updates.